Hey guys, welcome back to the last tutorial in this series of HTML attributes and HTML tags. So now let's talk about HTML links. The link tag defines a link between a document and an external resource. The link tag is used to link to external style sheets. So let's do a couple examples of a link tag within our document. So first make our document, do doc type HTML, and we've gone over that before. And so now let's just say, we're going to go over this. A style sheet is also known as a CSS file, and again, we're going to go over that later, but to reference an external style sheet, you're going to go in your head document and or head part of your document, and you're going to do link. All right, and you can see it already kind of put it in here for me. So relationship, it's a style sheet. The type, it's text or CSS. And href is going to be the name of your style sheet. So for example, I'm going to do theme.css. So whatever it is, it's going to be .css. Also, you can use this for your JavaScript or any type of external file that you're trying to link back into your HTML document. Another type of link would be an href, which that is what you're going to link to an external website. So for example, you're going to put this in your body part because you want to be able to see this. You can put a href in our website. So you can do http://www. Let's just link to Yahoo for example. So do yahoo.com. All right, and then you're going to want to end that A tag, and you're going to put your text that you're going to see right between those two tags. So put, this is a Yahoo link. All right, and then let's do another link real quick. So do a href, and you're going to put http://www.reddit.com, and put this is a Reddit link. So now let's save this. Let's go view this in our web browser. As you can see, if you click on this is going to link us to Yahoo. And then if we go back and we click on this one, it's going to link us to Reddit. 1 second, it's just loading. There we go. And see, it linked us to Reddit. Except that is not the right Reddit, that's the wrong website. But when you guys do this by yourself, just make sure you put the other D. So do that real quick. Save that. And let's link to the right Reddit website. So refresh this. There we go. Now this looks more like Reddit. Okay, so if we go back real quick, you can see how once we click on it, this changes to a different color. And that's something that you'll be able to change when you start learning more about CSS. And you'll also be able to change, you can make it so it's a button, you can make it so it's non-underlined. You can do a lot more once we kind of get a little bit more CSS out of the way, but right now that's just to show you guys how to link to an external style sheet or how to link to an external website. And as you can see, when we were linking to our external style sheet, which in this case didn't exist, but you don't see that you link to it on your page. Again, we'll go over this in later examples. So now let's talk about conditional comments. So let me get rid of this. Conditional comments define HTML tags to be executed by Internet Explorer only. Older versions of Internet Explorer are frequently either inept or out of date, or usually both, but they still are popular, so we don't want to ignore them. So conditional comments, which are nothing more than simple HTML comments that Internet Explorer, up to version 9, happens to take a peep at, and use these chunks of HTML at these browsers and only at these browsers. Other well-behaved top-of-the-line classes browsers will supply them as unremarkable comments and they'll just move along. So other browsers that are more up to date, what they're going to do is when they see these chunks of these conditional comments, they're just going to pass along because it doesn't apply to that browser. So let's give an example right now. So let's just say what you do is you put in a comment, so like how we learned earlier. So you put open angle bracket, exclamation point, 2 dashes. Now open bracket, if IE 8, then you're going to do some code. So this is just a basic structure. So then you're going to do some code. And then you're going to finish this and then just keep moving along. Oh, I'm sorry, real quick. And then you're going to do, oh, you need to put bracket here. There we go. I'm sorry. And then you're going to end this. And then you just do end if. Exclamation point, open bracket, then end if. And then 2 dashes and close that angle bracket. And so this is kind of what it's going to look like. So now let's do, actually no dashes right here. There we go, that's why we're getting that. So this is just a generic form that you can always follow. So I'm going to put a little example right here. And again, I'm not going to run this because we're not going to actually see any of this on our page. But let's just say we were trying to put some CSS into our file. So let's just do, again, do one of our links that we just learned. So link. And for our href, let's just do everything.css. So now let's just say you're running on an old Internet Explorer. You're going to do less than sign, exclamation point, 2 dashes, if, oh, open bracket, if IE, then you're going to close the bracket or do greater than sign, then do your link in here, so do link, and then you're going to do href equals, and you're going to put the style sheet that you want to have it go to. So you could do, I don't know, stupid CSS dot CSS, whatever you would call it. You don't have to call it that. And then you could do type text type equals text dash CSS, and then you could do relation equals style sheet. All right, close this, and then you're going to want to end it. So then you're going to do open bracket, exclamation point, end if, and then just 2 dashes, and close that. And so this is how you do conditional comments within HTML. And again, it's great for Internet Explorer and older browsers that need an update. So again, thank you guys so much for checking out this tutorial series about HTML tags and just getting to know HTML even more. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!